record. Boom, let's get it right there, man. What's up, YouTube? I just trade here with a tutorial on how to start a brokerage account. I will be using Robinhood since it's the most user-friendly. Yeah, I know what people will be saying, but hey, it's better than a China-based one like Webull. Don't get me wrong, now I have Webull too, but only a small amount of funds in those accounts. Now let's jump into this video. This is meant for the older generation who want to invest, but don't know where to start. Take a deep breath. It's not as hard as they make it sound or as hard as it looks, okay? I'm gonna try to break this one down in less than 2 minutes. So just don't try to swing trade. Treat this like a casino. Just, you know what I mean? Then again, don't forget, this isn't financial advice. Option trading and any trading of any kind of asset is very risky. You should consult with a professional before you buy or sell anything. Now let's jump into this video real quick. All right, so obviously you're gonna go, I'm using iOS. So you're gonna go to iOS, Apple Store, you're gonna download Robinhood. You're gonna download it, it's gonna pop up, it's gonna ask you for a valid email address. Okay, you're gonna put the email address in there, you're gonna hit continue, boom, you're gonna put a password in there. Make sure you know it's like it's gonna let you know if it's gonna fly or not, okay? It'll turn from red to green, okay? When you're in the green, that means you're good. Okay, well, right there, bam, continue, ask you for your first name, put your first name, last name, continue. All right, you're gonna do all that, it's gonna ask you for your phone number. Put your phone number in there, you're gonna go forward, bam, okay? It's gonna ask you to give you a text message, it's gonna send you a text message, less than a couple seconds, boom, continue again. Okay, you're gonna go forward, send it, say success, yes. Okay, you're gonna put your birthday in there, make sure you get it right, don't mess it up, your residential address. Okay, the good thing with this app right here is like, you're gonna put in like half of the address, maybe even less, and oh, there it is, it came up real quick. It's gonna show you a little Google map real quick, just so you verify where you're at. You're gonna hit continue, it's gonna ask your citizenship, what are you, United States, whatever the heck, you're gonna put it in, it's gonna verify your identity, with social security number, all this other stuff, continue. Okay, you're gonna put your social security number in. Okay, boom, we're gonna go forward, okay? And it's gonna ask how much experience do you have? Me? I know what I'm doing, okay? It's a commission-free option trading. Just say no. Don't mess around with options. You're gonna lose everything. Again, this is not financial advice at all. You should always consult with a professional before they buy or sell anything, okay? Okay, then it's, are you employed, unemployed, where the heck? I'm unemployed, baby. Should I do what I want? And then it's gonna say, are you a family member of a senior executive with 10% shareholder in a company? Me? Hell no. And then it says, do you or a family member work for another brokerage account? Well, I don't, but I have brokerage accounts. Otherwise, that's not the same thing, okay? So no. I'm gonna go no, and it's gonna give you some application review, application bullshit. Go in there, I submit application, bam, okay? Oh, and now it's gonna say start with $1. Okay, you're gonna go forward. Okay, I know that's stop right here. A lot of people are gonna be like, well, wait a minute, bro. I'm gonna trust this crazy app. You know, I seen this dude on TV, what he did. Well, I mean, come on, let me ask you this question right here. How do you look at your bank account? I'm pretty sure it's an app, right? Well, I mean, ding, 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 ding. It's an app. It's the same thing. Okay, it's cool. And anyways, they use Plaid. Plaid's legit. So you're gonna go on Plaid. It's gonna go continue. Everything's right there. It's gonna show you the bank account. What bank account you got? If you don't see it there, type in the name. All right. It's not rocket science, man. We got Elon taking care of that stuff for us. Okay. This is simple. Continue. I bank with Chase. Gonna ask you for your credentials. Okay, you're gonna put it in. All my stuff on my keychain. So I don't mess around. I don't got time to mess around. See, bam. It's gonna go forward. Chase is gonna be like, let me talk to this guy. Do you know him? It's gonna text me and be like, yo, is it cool? I'm gonna tell him run it. Okay, and then it's gonna send me a code to make sure that the run it process is good. It's good. There it is. It's gonna say, all right, now how much money do you want to put in over here? Well, I mean, you know, how much money you got, so you can do what you want. You know, a couple $100, a couple dollars, whatever that. Boom, it's in there. Bam. It's gonna ask you to upload this. Oh yeah, boom, everything's done. It's gonna ask you to take a photo now. Okay. We need to confirm the information on your driver's license. So, I mean, it's right there. Look, you see the green button? You hit the green button, take a photo, you bust your thing out, passport, driver's license, anything else. Okay, you take it to the United States, okay, boom, capture, you use your phone, clack, 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 boom, it's sent. You give it a couple minutes, and then you're good to go, okay? The trade's easy as heck. You get in there, you're gonna do the trade after you got the money, after everything's confirmed, ID, they make sure you're who. But let me tell you real quick, it's another one. You guys are figure that out. So you're gonna pick what you wanna do, you're gonna go trade, you're gonna go buy, okay, trade, buy, you're gonna put how much? I mean, $400, whatever you got, and then boom, hit the thing up, it's gonna do the fireworks, and you know, guess what? You're investing now, baby. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and share this video with other people out there that wanna learn how to invest. It's not that hard, baby.